can we go back to the you laying in a room feeling like a loser?
Yeah.
I still feel like a loser sometimes. What can you speak to that feeling, to that place of just like feeling like a loser? And because I think a lot of people in this world are laying in a room right now listening to this and feeling like a loser.
Okay, so I think it's normal if you're young that you feel like a loser, first of all.
Especially when you're 27.
Yes. Yeah, especially.
There's like a peak.
Yeah. Yeah, I think 20 is the peak. And so I would not kill yourselves. It's very important. Just get through it, But because you have nothing, you have probably no money, you have no business, you have no job. You like Jordan Peterson said this. I saw it somewhere. Like the reason people are depressed because they have nothing. They don't have a girlfriend. They don't have a or boyfriend. They don't have a. You need stuff. You need like or a family. You need things around you. You need to build a life for yourself. If you don't build a life for yourself, you'll be depressed. So if you're alone in Asia in a hostel, looking at the ceiling, and you don't have any money coming in, you don't have a girlfriend, you don't. Of course you're depressed. It's logic. But back then, if you're in the moment, you think there's not logic. There's something wrong with me,
Yeah.
And also I think I started getting like anxiety, and I think I started going a little bit crazy where I think travel can make you insane. And I know this because I know that there's like digital nomads that they kill themselves. And I haven't checked like the comparison with like baseline people, like suicide rate, but I have a hunch, especially in the beginning when it was a very new thing, like 10 years ago, that it can be very psychologically taxing, and you're alone a lot. Back then, when you travel alone, there was no other digital nomads back then a lot. So you're in a strange culture. You look different than everybody. Like I was in Asia. Like everybody's really nice in Thailand, but you're not part of the culture. You're traveling around. You're hopping from city to city. You don't have a home anymore.
Mm-hmm.
You feel disrooted,
and you're constantly an outcast in that you're different from everybody else.
Yes, exactly. But people treat you like Thailand. People are so nice, but you still feel like outcast. And then I think the digital nomads I met then were all kind of like, it was like shady business, But they were like vigilantes because it was a new thing.
Mm-hmm.
And like one guy was selling illegal drugs. It was an American guy, was selling illegal drugs via UPS to Americans, on his website. There were like a lot of drop shippers doing shady stuff. There's a lot of shady things going on there. And they didn't look like very balanced people. They didn't look like people I wanted to hang with, So I also felt outcast from other foreigners in Thailand, other digital nomads. And I was like, man, I made a big mistake. And then I went back to Holland. And then I got even more depressed.